welcome to our YouTube video. Hi guys, we've just arrived in New Zealand. Woo! We've got a 3-year working holiday visa here and we're going to try and get a campervan soon.
So we're landed into Queenstown, which is in the South Island of New Zealand.
Apparently the best part of New Zealand as well.
We've heard everyone to say Queenstown is the highlight of New Zealand. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see this lake behind us. When I say it's massive, it's the size of a small country.
Yes.
So the plan is to buy a campervan, then we're going to drive around the South Island, drive around the North Island before probably setting up shop in Auckland. My personal plan, my personal hope is I'll be able to find a bit of a corporate job, even though I'm on the working holiday visa. Maybe they'll be able to sponsor me at some point.
Well, I want to be able to work in a nursery and a bakery as well.
So it's very exciting. We've just got here. We've just gone to see our first campervan. And then we're going to be hopefully hitting the road in a couple of days' time. Going to see a few more, I assume, on the way. It should be a bit of an adventure and I hope you join us for it.
Woo! My mum got me lots of little envelopes for my travels and this is the last one. It says, when you arrive in New Zealand. And there's lots of little stickers on the back as well. So we're going to see what my mum's got me. A little note saying, today is your day. And it says, Ben and Paris, congratulations. If you are opening this on this one, then you've made it to New Zealand. Have the best time and a burger on us. Lots of love, Mum, Crawford, Ethan and Charlie.
Woo!
Oh, bless. And they've given us some New Zealand dollars, which is really handy because we don't have any New Zealand money yet. And a lovely picture of my whole family.
Aww.
We miss you loads. But we are incredibly proud of you. Have the best time, baby girl. Love, Mum, and all of us. Oh, they're so sweet.
I guess we're going for a burger.
Love you, Mum. There's even sesames on the bottom bun. That's so funny. You've got 2 beef patties, lashes of bacon, a whole lot of cheese, 2 eggs, beetroot, lettuce, tomato. We got the red onion on the side and then some relish and alioli.
I wasn't even that hungry.